Songbirds in North America have a problem, the brown-headed cowbird, a brood parasite, meaning that rather than go to the trouble of building and tending its own nest, it lays eggs in the nests of other birds. It evicts some of the host eggs, and the cowbird's young outbeg the legitimate young. The cowbird was one of the factors that drove Kirtland's warbler to near extinction. Most songbirds have no choice but to raise the parasitic young because adult cowbirds vandalize non-compliant nests, such as those of the yellow warbler, which may evict or cover cowbird eggs. But one bird, the American goldfinch, has a strategy. Goldfinches nest late, midsummer, as the seeds of thistles ripen. And as we know from the price of commercial thistle seed, it is nutritious, rich enough for developing young goldfinches. But without an insect supplement, not rich enough to raise the young of any other bird, including brown-headed cowbirds. Usurping the nest of any other North American bird, young cowbirds grow fat and happy. In a goldfinch nest, they starve. So the goldfinch's formula for successful parenting is nest late when everybody else has finished, and feed your young something young cowbirds can't eat. This evolutionary drama is on stage right now, early August, in any patch of thistles, in any pasture. Most of the actors are happy with the arrangement, thistles having their seeds launched on the wind, goldfinches feeding young. The farmer, late to the evolutionary party and trying to maintain pasture, maybe not so happy.